Looking to improve your game with one of the best pickleball paddles? The wrong paddle won't just affect your play, it can cost you games. Finding a blend of power, control, and spin that suits your playstyle is key to advancing your level. If you're playing pickleball regularly, you might be looking for a consistent paddle to compete with. Because of the rising interest in pickleball, about 600 companies have entered the market, many claiming to offer paddles featuring unique, cutting-edge technology that will supposedly have you dinking and lobbing like a pro. I've tested over 50 pickleball paddles and put the best ones into this guide to help you pick the right one for you. All of the product links listed in this video are in the description below. For more detail and information, visit our website, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Now let's jump into the video. Number 5 on our list, Joola Ben John's Perseus Pickleball Paddle. The Joola Ben Pickleball Paddle is built for those who want to dominate the court with power, precision, and spin. Right out of the box, this paddle feels solid yet lightweight. The charged carbon surface technology is a game changer, adding extra pop to shots while maintaining a crisp, controlled feel. Every strike feels sharp, whether you're driving the ball down the line or placing a perfect dink at the net. The carbon fiber construction adds stability, ensuring consistent performance even after hours of intense play. One of my favorite features is the Vatic Pure Grip. It's tacky enough to prevent slips and absorb sweat well, making it easy to maintain control in fast-paced rallies. At 16.5 inches long and 8 ounces, it provides the reach and maneuverability needed for aggressive play. The paddle's large sweet spot helps minimize mishits, which is a huge plus for both seasoned players and those still honing their skills. Designed with the #1 pickleball player Ben Johns, this paddle is made for players who want to attack with confidence. If you're looking for a paddle that blends power and precision, the Perseus is ready to elevate your game. Number 4, I have Panel Sound Pickleball Paddles Set of 2. The Panel Sound Pickleball Paddles is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to get into the game or refine their skills. Right out of the box, this set is packed with value. You get 2 fiberglass paddles, 4 outdoor pickleballs, a carrying case, and 2 cooling towels, everything needed to hit the court immediately. The fiberglass face with a polypropylene honeycomb core strikes the perfect balance between power and control. It's lightweight yet durable, making it easy to maneuver without sacrificing strength. The 4.8-inch handle fits comfortably in hand, offering a firm, anti-slip grip that absorbs sweat during intense rallies. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, the solid feel of these paddles helps keep shots consistent and controlled. On the court, the USAPA-approved design ensures tournament-ready performance. The paddles hold up well against powerful hits, while the lightweight build allows for quick reactions at the net. For a high-quality, budget-friendly pickleball set that works for all skill levels, Panel Sound delivers. Whether you're playing for fun or gearing up for competition, this set has everything you need to enjoy the game. Number 3. Vatic Pro Prism Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. The Vatic Pro Pickleball Paddle gives you the control and finesse needed to dominate the court without the overpowered feel of thermoform paddles. Right away, the carbon fiber surface grabs your attention. It delivers impressive spin and durability that outlasts fiberglass and lower-grade carbon fiber. The foam edge walls provide a stable, plush feel, making resets and placement shots smoother than ever. Polyurethane inserts absorb shock effectively, reducing vibration for better touch and comfort. If you've ever struggled to find the right balance between power and control, this paddle nails it. It's not as aggressive as a thermoformed model, but it doesn't feel mushy like traditional sandwich-style paddles. The cold molding process adds consistency across the paddle face, giving you a reliable feel even on off-center hits. During play, the nimble design stands out. Quick exchanges at the net feel effortless, and the spin potential helps add variety to your shots. It's USAPA approved and trusted by pros, but the accessible feel makes it ideal for casual players looking to level up. For a paddle that blends precision, comfort, and durability at an affordable price, the Vatic Pro Prism is a standout choice. Number 2, I have Paddletek Bantam EXL Pickleball Paddle. The Paddletek Bantam Pickleball Paddle is a top-tier choice for players who want a balanced mix of power, control, and comfort. From the first hit, the Bantam polycore interior makes a difference. It provides a responsive feel, absorbing vibrations while maintaining a solid pop on every shot. Whether you're driving the ball or placing a soft dink at the net, the paddle delivers consistency and accuracy. The high-grade polymer composite honeycomb ensures durability while keeping gameplay quiet, perfect for those who want high performance without excessive noise. Comfort matters during long matches, and the ultra-cushion high-tack grip keeps your hands in control. It absorbs sweat, reduces strain, and provides a secure hold, making quick reactions and extended play feel effortless. The paddle's optimal weight balance also shines, offering the right blend of speed and stability to dominate both offensive and defensive plays. Designed to meet USAPA approved, the Bantam XL is competition ready. Whether you're a seasoned player or improving your skills, this paddle provides the edge needed to elevate your game. If you want a paddle that blends precision, power, and comfort, this one is ready to perform at the highest level. Number 1 on our list, Selkirk Vanguard Control Pickleball Paddle 2025. The Selkirk Vanguard Pickleball Paddle is built for players who demand precision and consistency. Whether you're dropping a perfect third shot or resetting in a fast-paced rally, this paddle gives you the control to execute with confidence. Right away, the X5 Plus polypropylene honeycomb core stands out. It absorbs vibrations effortlessly, creating a soft feel while maintaining a large, forgiving sweet spot. The T700 Raw quad carbon fiber face adds impressive spin, giving you more control over placement without sacrificing power. The paddle's non-thermoformed construction ensures a solid, balanced response, making every shot feel intentional and smooth. One of the biggest highlights is the octagonal grip, comfortable and precise, allowing for quick hand adjustments and a firm hold under pressure. Whether playing defensive resets or aggressive drives, the paddle moves naturally in your hand, improving reaction time and overall playability. Compared to other high-end paddles, the Vanguard Control Max strikes a perfect balance between finesse and power. It's an excellent choice for players looking to refine their game with superior touch and spin. If you're serious about pickleball and want a paddle that enhances your control without compromise, this one delivers. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. We hope that this information has been helpful to you in finding the perfect product for your needs. Subscribe to our channel and like this video. See you in the next video.